this is the box. Now, what's unique about the box is all black. Usually, the Canon lenses would be in a white and red box, and this one is all black. Okay, I don't know if it's going to be the future of the lenses of the RF. So I have with me here is my Canon EOS R. We're out in the field. We're actually just doing some videos, product shots and everything in a home base near Batangas. And after this, we're going to be going out and test the lens. Okay, we just finished testing the 240mm. It's a really nice lens. And now we're going to test the 15-35 F2.8 LIS USM. So this was launched last week. I was looking forward for this. The 15mm, 1mm difference makes this lens as Canon's widest, okay, with an f2.8 aperture. Okay, Canon has a 11-24, but it's not f2.8, so this would be the widest with the f2.8. Okay, you have the 14mm also. Yeah. Anyway, so let's do this. Normally, this would be my setup when shooting landscape photos. So I have the Canon EOS R, okay, the 16-35 f2.8 with the adapter. Okay, so this is my setup. I've been photographing with this in Iceland, Canada, Norway, the US since last year, and this has become my go-to camera. Okay. With this lens, I think I would have less problem with in terms of how heavy it is, and when I fit it in my bag, okay, sometimes the lens looks too long because of the adapter. And with this, I think, and the extra 1mm dedicated RF lens, I think this would be my go-to lens right now. Okay, so let's open it. So this is a Canon unit. They haven't opened this, so just arrived in the Canon office for me to test it, and they immediately gave it to me, and let's unbox it. Okay. So off the box, the usual. You have the pouch. Okay. And the usual stuff, and you have the lens hood. The lens hood is the code of the lens hood is EW88F, okay, which is different from this one. It's 88D, okay, for the 16-35. Okay, and this is the lens. Wow, the weight is really nice, huh? Couldn't tell if this is heavier or this one. Maybe later. Okay, and that's about it. Okay, wow, look at this. Nice. Same premium build quality as a 24-105. Matte finish. 82mm focal, the diameter of the ring. Control ring at the end. The standard red lens as a L lens. Okay. Now, the reason why I'm excited is because the mirrorless, of course, with the new RF lenses makes the optical quality of the lenses better. Okay, because of this one. Okay. And this one, the electronic points. And I think this would be for me the standard in terms of ultra wide angle lens, in terms of sharpness, quality, and everything. Okay. So let's test it out in the camera, but let me show you something first. You know, I can do this every time, and I don't have to worry about dust coming in because of the shutter curtain. See? Okay, so when this one has saved me a lot of, problems changing lens in the field because it protects the sensor. Okay. the only camera system that has this. Okay? So let's compare with my old lens or my current lens in terms of difference. The 16-35 Mark III and the 15-35 F2.8. So you can see weight. This one I think is heavier. Okay, the 15-35 is heavier. Okay, but the quality and the build is really nice. Okay, same ring diameter, same lens cap with the EF counterpart. Without the adapter ring, I think they would be the same size. So let's do this. Okay. There we go. Wow, it's really nice. Huh? Focusing is nice, fast, nice. I think it's the fact that the focusing is going to be better than probably this one. The one thing I'm really excited about this is I've been reading something. I think there's only one website who've done an actual review of the lens. It's Digital Camera Photography. You can check it out, Google it. And in their non-technical and informal test, that there's zero distortion of the 15mm, and that's the one thing that I'd like to check. In terms of sharpness, on paper, this would always, I think, gonna be sharper than this because of, well, in terms of build quality, electronic points and everything, and knowing the RF version would always be sharper in some terms with the EF, like the 24-105. So you can check out the EF 24-105 Mark II versus the RF 24-105. The 24-105 RF is slightly sharper than the EF Mark II. So I'm really excited to use this. Okay, it's really nice. Okay. So that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, I'll answer them. Just post it in the comment section. I cannot answer them on real time, so I'll just probably answer it after this video. So again, this is the 15-35 F2.8. Okay. So watch out for my test. I'll try to get a shot of this one and compare it. And show you the raw file, uncropped version and everything. So that's it. Thank you very much.